Hello student, today we will continue exercise 5.3 of class 8th, chapter 5th, data handling. Today we will do some number 4 to 6. Statement is on your screen. Numbers 1 to 10 are written on 10 separate slips kept in a box mixed well. One slip is chosen from the box without looking into it. What is the probability? First part, getting a number 6. Sum for solution. Total numbers or total slips 10. A number that is 6. That is 1 only. 6 number one time ही आएगा. Probability of, in bracket we will write event, that is getting a number 6. Formula possible outcomes by total number of outcomes. 6 come one time, that's why 1 by 10 is your answer. Next part, getting a number less than 5. Lists these are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. In numbers, total 5. Probability of event formula, we can write it as also favorable or possible, both are same things. Favorable 5, total 10. Probability is 1 by 2. Part 3rd, getting a number greater than 6. List getting a number greater than 6. These are 7, 8, 9, 10. In number 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Probability of event, we will write the formula possible or favorable outcomes by may total number of outcomes. Answer is 4 by 10. Standard form 2 by 5. Next part, getting one digit number. List getting a one digit number, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. in number, nine, probability getting a one digit number, formula we know that favorable outcomes by my total number of outcomes. These are 9 by 10. Answer. Next, sum number 5. If you have a spinning wheel with 3 green sectors, 1 blue sectors, 1 red sector, total sector 3 plus 1 makes 5 sectors. What is the probability of getting a green sector? Probability of green sector. Formula we know that favorable outcomes by may total number of outcomes you have to apply in each and every question. Green sector 3, total 5. Answer. Second part, what is the probability of getting a non-blue sector? In number, non-blue sector. These are 3 plus 1, 4. Probability getting a non-blue sector 4 by 5. Sum number 6. Find the probability of an event given in question number 2. Total outcomes 6. When a die is thrown. List of outcomes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. First part, a prime number. List of prime number, that is 2, 3, 5. In number 3, probability a prime number 3 by 6 makes 1 by 2. Second part, not a prime number. List not a prime number, that is 1, 4, 6. In number 3, probability three by 6. P probability brackets means of. Answer is 3 by 6 makes 1 by 2. Next part, a number greater than 5. List a number greater than 5, that is 6. In number only 1. Probability formula we all know, possible outcomes by में total number of outcomes. A number that is greater than 5 1/6. Last, a number not greater than 5. List, a number not greater than 5. These are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. In number, total 5. Probability of event, apply formula. We have 5/6 is the answer. Thank you.